Guys, welcome back to our video, and this is our trade recap, the trade we took on GJ. And first thing always is always market structure. You have to understand the market structure, both internal and external structure, right? And if you look here closely here, you can see that from here we had a change of character to the downside. After this swing low was disrespected, then we had a break, we had a continuation to the upside. The price came tapped into this, you can see here it tapped into this last sell, buy to sell, which was our order block. Then it continued down, then we had a break of structure to the downside, then we had a change of character to the upside. But though we had this, then the price came back to our breaker block. Then we had to look for confirmations around here. Then let's mark it out. We had our change of character to the downside, external structure, then we had our break of structure to the downside, continuation, then we had our order block around here. This was our order block, our bearish order block, it was here. Then the price came down, and then we had our liquidity sweep to the downside. We had this liquidity sweep, you can see it, had a liquidity sweep to the downside. Then the price came here, disrespected this area. Then we had our change of character to the upside, external structure, change of character to the upside, external structure. Then from here, then we had our break and retest. Then we had this retest, and then we had news around here. Then we didn't take the trade. Then we had to wait again for the retest. Then we had to move to 30 minutes to get that final confirmation. And you can see from here, we had this liquidity being swept, this liquidity here, it was swept, you can see it, it was swept. Then we're still in this area, but this area, it was a sell order block. But after being disrespected, then retested, it turned into our bearish breaker block. So we are looking for buys from this area. Then the price again came down, swept this liquidity. We had also this liquidity was already swept, and just under this buy breaker block. Then we had this confirmation from here, 30 minutes confirmation. Then we had to enter into this trade just from this final confirmation from this candle, you can see. Then we had to put our stop loss just below here, this sweep, then targeting this liquidity to the upside. You can see we have a lot of liquidity which is here. Then we had to target that liquidity, that trend line liquidity. Then we had to put our take profit here, and then we target this with a nice 7-hour risk to reward. So it was now just a waiting game. Then the price came clean, it tapped in, then continued to the upside very, very, very well. At that moment, you can easily take out some partial profits and move your stop loss to break even. So I shared this setup in my VIP Telegram channel and my free Telegram channel, and we took this trade together with my community, and it was a very, very, very clean trade. And such trades, I share them each and every day. Our trade recaps, our trade recaps, our outlooks and plan. So stay tuned and get ready for the next one. Peace out.